Your value as a Pilates teacher. I've often had teachers saying to me, yes, but I just teach Pilates. It doesn't make that much difference in the world. Actually, I don't think that you're quite right. So let me tell you why what we do, I think, is one of the most important jobs in the world. So first of all, when you teach Pilates, you can really show people the value that you provide in the world, because not only can you support them, you can also help them to navigate the obstacles that are in their way towards achieving better movement quality in their lives so that they can achieve their goals. And their goals might be something as simple as being able to pick up a grandchild, or I had one client that was excited because he could finally wash his feet again without feeling like he was going to fall over in the shower. So it might seem silly, but for him, that was a huge achievement, that he had the stability to be able to pick one leg up and wash his foot. And by achieving simple goals like that, or even bigger goals like, maybe you going for the Olympics, or you working at a national level in your sports team and you want to be the best that you can be, Pilates can even help you do that. So you can motivate your clients to help them keep moving forward, to keep achieving their goals. Now, isn't that an amazing thing to be able to do for someone, that you can contribute so positively into somebody's life that they're excited about moving? So how will you do this? What will you do to help them achieve this? How are you going to help them to solve their problem? Well, the first thing you have to do is you have to listen. And then you have to apply what people really want to achieve out of their session to the exercises that you're teaching them to do. So make the exercises relevant to what it is that your client wants to achieve ultimately. The next thing is you have to help your clients to understand that consistency is key. If we want to see results, then we have to turn up, we have to take action, and we have to do the work. Anything that's ever mattered to you in your life, you've worked for. You haven't just sat back and expected it to come to you. So it's exactly the same. If our clients want the results that they want, they need to be fully part of this journey with you. So what strategies are you going to use to help them to be consistent? Think about that for a moment. Then you need to help your clients to find what actions they can take to get results. So I find that the most simple thing is to take an exercise and to relate it back to normal everyday life. And I might say to them, so when you're brushing your teeth, you're going to improve your balance by standing on one leg for a minute and then standing on the other leg for a minute. When you want that next cup of coffee, I want you to do your hip stretches sitting in your chair. I want you to do 2 of those so that you can earn the reward of your cup of coffee. And it doesn't seem like much, but that consistency of doing those balances twice a day, or having your 3 cups of coffee, but making sure that you're stretching your hips out before you do that, becomes a really good, healthy habit for them to adopt, and they see the results. So when they're seeing the progress, they are more inclined to add some more healthy habits into their normal everyday lives. So remember, when your clients are successful, you are successful. Helping them to see how movement is an integral part to our normal everyday life is such a rewarding experience for them and for you. So I have 30 years of experience teaching movement. It seems almost unreal, but there we have it. I've also had 20 years of training Pilates teachers. If you want to go even deeper into how to be confident, then I invite you to go and look at the Grow Your Confidence online self-directed course. At the bottom there, you will see that there is a discount code. I am so passionate about you being confident in your teaching, because the more confident you are, the better the people that you are serving will be. You will be able to step forward and be the best that you can be if you've got your confidence. I've had so many conversations with Pilates teachers who struggle with their confidence. And if you can put your confidence in the hands of your clients, meaning that you are looking after them and solving problems for them, your confidence will boost because you will be successful. You do have the answers to helping somebody achieve their goals. So just a little bit more about me if you're interested. Otherwise you can stop and go and search for your next inspiration. But I'm a degree qualified movement teacher, and I'm also a certified Pilates teacher through the NCPT program in the United States. And as I said, my philosophy is about putting clients first. They come center stage. If I can help them solve their problems and be successful, then I know that I'm going to be successful. And I know that all the teachers that I've worked with also become successful because they have a very clear idea of who it is that they're serving and why they do what they do. They have found their value as Pilates teachers in the world. I hope that you can join me and that you can find your value and boost your confidence.